First of all, you need to log on to the software using the login details provided to you. Fill in your username, password and click the Remember Me on this computer button. This then takes you to the main overview page where you can see details of the campaigns that you've created. Now I'm going to show you how to create a new campaign. First, click on the Create a New Campaign button. This brings the main detail of the campaign. Fill in the campaign name, which is just for your benefit. Subject. You can always come back and change these later, so don't draw you too much about it. Who it's from. An email address that the campaign is sent from, which is usually your address. And the address that the reply should go back to, which is again usually the same address. Then click on Next. This section is where you format the campaign and use the templates that have been uploaded. As you can see here, there's one template been uploaded. You could also upload your own creative, but in this instance we're using a template, so we click on Use one of my templates. Scroll down to the bottom, click Next. We're now loading the editor. This then shows you the areas that you can update and add to. There's a section in the middle which is the main parts of the story. There's navigation at the side and there's a news section. If you want to add a story, click on pencil next to the headline. That throws up an edit box. Then you just type in your headlines. If you wanted a link in here, you highlight the text, click the link tool, and type in the link in the box. Once you're happy, press save, and there you can see it. If you want to edit the new section, similarly, you press the pencil, if you want to add another main news item, click on Add New Item. Again, similar box. When you're happy with what you have written in there, press Save, and there it is. If you decide that you don't want the item to, you can click on the icon here, which would delete the item altogether. When you're happy with what you've done, press Preview Email. If you're not happy with what you've done, you can go back, make more changes as many times as you please till you've got the required result. Now I'm going to show you how you can upload your email data. Here's a simple 2-column Excel spreadsheet. One column for the email address, which is the bare minimum that you need, another column for name if we wanted to personalize the email. This document should be saved as a .csv file, and then we can import it into the software. Back in the email software, we'll now upload the email data onto the system for use in your emails. If you click on List and Subscribers, we'll now create our first subscriber list. Click on the button, give it a name, single opt-in required, we don't really want them to validate their details, and click Create List. Now we're going to add the first subscribers to the list. Click the button. We could simply type in the names in the box here, but what we're going to do is import from a file. So if we click on the tab, then we need to confirm that the email data we're using is valid for us to email. We need to confirm that here. Click Proceed. Now we find the file. And press Import. You can see it's looked at the file and it's taken the heading off the first column, name, to the first part, and email address the second part. Then you click Next. That's it done. You've successfully added the subscribers to the list. It will tell if there's any problems, and you can then go back and fix them. Once your campaign has been broadcast, the next thing to do is to check out the results in the admin section. Here you'll be able to find out who opened, who clicked, and who unsubscribed. It tells you by the hour who's opening it and what they're actually doing it. And if you click on the Who Clicked a Link button, it will show you in more detail what they've actually clicked on, and then who these people actually were. So with this data you can refine your emails, or maybe find subsections of your list and email them with further offers.